If you've got dry and chapped lips, then I've got the perfect solution. Hi guys, how are you? I'm Robin. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. Now, we have all, I'm sure, suffered from dry, chapped lips. I get it a lot into the winter. You know, little bits of skin kind of just hanging. It doesn't look good, it doesn't feel good. I also think it kind of dents our confidence. So there are 5 products that I'm going to talk to you about today that I've used over a number of years really. And products from budget to niche brands to luxury. I've got one which is for protection against the sun and another one which is a really great overnight treatment. So whatever I show you, there will be definitely something for you in this video. Now, if you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then hit subscribe right now. The button is just below this video. Now, starting with my budget one, this is by Carmacks. Now, this is the one that you quite often see in supermarkets and drugstores. It is super cheap, but it's one that I kept in my bag. Not this one, but one I kept in my bag for years. Now, this has got camphor in it, which comes from a large evergreen tree, and also menthol. So you get this really nice, smooth, just really easy applied. And really for me, very much an everyday lip balm. So if you lose it, you're not gonna be too bothered. And I would say, as with all of these, there are links in the description below, and there's also a full article on manfromself.com, so you can check that out. You can also see the causes of dry lips, and also, it's all over my lips here, and also some of the main ingredients in them. Now, one that you don't wanna be losing is my luxury pick, and that is by Tom Ford. As with all Tom Ford products, this looks amazing. This is all, I think, really a kind of a bit of a status piece. You know, if you're gonna pull this out at your desk, from your bag or wherever, people are gonna see you as a guy that likes a Tom Ford product. So, does it do more than the other ones? Perhaps not, but does it look great? Yes, and you can see that really in the applicator. It's slightly different. You're not scooping anything out. You're not getting it all covered. It is like a gel, so slightly easier to apply, and it does soak in. And it really does protect against elements. This is one actually that I've been using a lot into winter. Again, it's luxury, so it is more expensive, but this has got natural oils and vitamins, so help to soothe and also moisturize your lips. Now, into my favorite niche brand. So this is by Dr. Harris & Co. Now, this is a brand from London. It was created in 1790. It is still going. They're a chemist and perfumers, and I absolutely love this. Now, this has got cocoa butter and menthol. So again, softens the lips, keeps them feeling moisturized, and it doesn't sit heavy. And really for me in this, the cocoa butter gives it a slight sweetness. So if you are chewing down on it, it does smell and taste. Never swallow this. Very good. Now, we all know that we should be using protection, and that goes for our lips too. Now, this is by Menergy. You know, I've spoken about them in terms of sort of men's makeup products, so concealers and powders, but they also do a lip balm. This one has got an SPF 15. It is peppermint, so it smells good and it goes on very easily. Also, these sort of ones are just so easy. Again, pop it in your pocket, whip it out and get it on. This has got vitamin E, sunflower, macadamia, and jojoba oil. And in all those ingredients, there's nothing drying and nothing waxing. So that is a big thumbs up. If you're a guy that's really skiing, I was gonna say, you're a guy that runs outside or in the sun or whatever, really against any elements, get an SPF on. Now, my final one is a bit of a hero in this really, and this is an overnight treatment. Now, this one is by Kiehls, and it is their butter mask for lips. Now, I got this, I think 4 months ago, and I actually have been using it during the day. A day when I don't have to film, a day when I'm just at my desk, and I slather this on. This feels amazing. It sits heavy, so it's not a day-to-day one, but really the product is supposed to be used at night. So you would cleanse, you would moisturize, and then you'd absolutely pile this stuff on. You can see it's got a bit of a shine. But what this is doing is, like an overnight cream, it's really getting into your lips and it's repairing them. Now, in terms of ingredients, it's infused with fairly traded coconut oil and wild mango butter. And this really has been my winter hero product. Repairing, fixing, moisturizing my lips during the night, and then having me set for the day. But guys, as I say, I've linked all of these 5 products down below in the description, and they're also on manfromself.com. A little bit more about the causes of dry lips, so you can really go to the root of what's happening there, and also some of those key active ingredients so you can get your head around what you're reading. But thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed this one and you've not yet pressed subscribe, then hit subscribe right now. The button is just there. There's some more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. Head to that. Blog article's there, and my social, and a link to that article also is up there. But I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.